Hi, welcome to Global Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. Today we'll discuss about the new hierarchy of Cisco. Cisco has announced new certification path, like you can say entry level of the certification, then after associate level of the certification, then after associate level will be the specialist level of the certification, after specialist will be the professional level of the certification, and after the professional will be the expert level of the certification, and after the expert level of the certification you can plan for the architect level of the certification. So recently means you can say by 24th Feb 2020 syllabus outline hierarchy entire thing has been changed. So now we need to follow the new syllabus. So if you want to give on behalf of the old exam code, it is not possible now. Like take example of the CCNA we have to give like CCNA 200-301. Previous that was CCNA 200-125. So unless and until we have to appear in the new exam. So this is the small information. Later we will discuss in a more detail. Thank you and all the best.